Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to break down to you how you can insert your graph paper into your drawings on CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this. So here in your document, guys, you will find the graph paper tool here just below the ellipse tool. You may also use the shortcut D. Now what you want to do is left click into it and then draw your graph paper like this, for example, with different dimensions, as you can see. And then you can customize these edges and corners, for example, so it looks almost like a table or an artificial grid lines you have, for example, created, right? Because you can make it smaller like this. And then, yeah, for example, draw multiple of them or copy them and put them next to each other, for example. And that way, for example, create a grid in the background. And that's basically it, guys. You can also put them to the back by right-clicking and by setting to back of page and make them also transparent, or change the opacity, of course, of the color. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you add a graph paper to your document to draw a grid. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.